How big was that win for you?
I think number one is I'd like to commend my coaches, my assistant coaches, even yung mga groups, but I'd like to mention your assistant coaches namin kasi especially Coach Gilbert and Coach Melo. Talagang we have a series of discussion kung paano namin gagawin, kung how are we going to limit yung UPHR and how are we going to be successful going into this game. And in terms of defense namin, in terms of offense namin, talagang we're able to execute it.
Back-to-back games na si Joniel yung bumuhat sa dulo. Can you talk about lang yung tapang and confidence ng batang to?
I mean, I can't say enough of Joniel, and ako personally talagang sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ako nagugulat kung ano yung napapakita ni Joniel sa inyo because kitang-kita ko na kasi sa series of practice namin and yung mga extra work niya is one of the hardworking players. And me personally, when I was playing and seeing guys that do extra works no wonder na pagdating ng game lalabas talaga. So, I mean, having him this kind of games, hindi na ako nagugulat. Talagang he deserves it because he works hard for it. And aside from Joniel naman, we have a lot of players din naman who stepped up, especially our veterans namin. Nandun si Risho was able to knock down mga big shots, and then Ralph was able to facilitate and bring the team namin. And then TJ was very crucial namin kasi talagang he's going to guard na naman mas bigger na players niya, but he was able to get 7 rebounds and help the team. And also give credit din yung mga crucial parts na binigay namin ng minutes with Junix na nandun talaga napapahinga niya. And I think it's an overall effort. It's an overall effort for sa lahat ng players natin.